Hello, and today I will be teaching you about the Matamata turtle. Now, this isn't an exact likeness, but it's a close representation. This turtle lives in the Amazon basin in South America, not Asia. His complete taxonomy is Kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Reptilia, order Chelonia, family Chelidae, genus Chelis, and species Fimbriata. So his binomial nomenclature or scientific name is Chelis fimbriata. See, not a lot of people know about this turtle, but not because he's endangered. In fact, his conservation status is least concern. They probably don't know about him because you wouldn't know you walked by a Matamata if they came up and hit you on the head. Because they are so well camouflaged. His shell looks like a rock. His neck and head look like dead branches and leaves, and he moves so slowly you can't even tell that he's actually moving. He looks like debris floating by in one of his habitats, which include black water, rivers, streams, swamps, and marshes, which is filled with dead branches and rocks and leaves. So he camouflages in very nicely. Although the only reason it's need to is not because he has a predator, because the only known organism to eat him is humans. Yeah, we eat this. They eat turtle soup. But anyways, he camouflages because he in fact himself is a predator. His diet consists of live fish, amphibians, invertebrates, insects, and crustaceans, small mammals, and birds. See, the way he eats is like the coolest thing ever. He waits and waits and waits until a little bitty fish swims by. Then he opens his mouth and he sucks them in like a vacuum. He exerts the water and swallows them whole because his jaw is physically incapable of chewing. So fish fit in his giant neck. In fact, this neck is so huge that he can't tuck his head into a shell. His neck outstretches his vertebrae or spine, so he can't tuck his poor little head into his shell. Although, not that he would need to, because again, no predators. The only reason they aren't overrunning the Amazon is A, turtle soup, B, people capture these little guys and use them in the pet trade, and C, they don't like to move around them that much. You see, mama turtles rarely get out of the water. They only get out to lay their eggs. So they don't have a lot going along in life. And they breathe air, which may seem confusing how they never get out of their habitat, but they need air. And that is why they have such a long neck. They stretch their neck out of the water, and their snorkel-like snout catches some air, and they breathe it. That is how they never have to leave the water, but they can still breathe. Now, some interesting facts, more interesting facts about this animal is he's the only existent species in his genus, so he's kind of living a lonely life. And he's been renamed 14 times in the past 200 years. Although, I get it. It's impossible to find a name to call something that looks this cool. Although, in South America, he doesn't exactly pass as cool there. They call the ugly girls Matamatas there, which is an insult to the turtle. Well, I hope you learned a lot in this video about this amazing turtle. Bye!